Welcome the our channel. Today we how to download Ring Alarm app to arm and disarm from anywhere step by step clearly. To download the Ring Alarm app, start by unlocking your smartphone. Open the App Store on your device. If you're using an iPhone, tap on the App Store icon. If you're using an Android device, tap on the Google Play Store icon. In the search bar at the top, type Ring and hit search. Look for the app named Ring Always Home. Check the app's icon, which features a blue doorbell. Tap on the app to view its details. Read through the app information to ensure it meets your needs. If you're ready to download, tap on the Get button for iPhone. For Android, tap on the Install button. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, open the app by tapping Open. If you're new to Ring, tap Create Account to set up a new account. Follow the prompts to enter your information and create your account. Verify your email if prompted to do so. After signing in, you will see the home screen of the Ring Alarm app. Make sure your Ring Alarm system is set up and connected to the internet. To arm or disarm your system, locate the corresponding buttons on the screen. Tap on Arm to secure your home or disarm to deactivate the alarm. You can also set different modes like home, away, or disarmed depending on your needs. Feel free to explore other features of the app, such as notifications and settings. Now you can arm and disarm your Ring Alarm from anywhere with ease. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.